Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about the disadvantages or drawbacks of taking too much sugar. Sugar is everywhere. From your morning tea to your favorite snacks, it quietly sneaks into almost everything we eat. While a little sweetness can make life enjoyable, too much sugar can slowly harm your body in ways you might not even realize. Today, we're diving deep into the drawbacks of consuming too much sugar, what it does to your body, your brain, and your long-term health. What is sugar and why do we crave it? Before we talk about the dangers, let's understand sugar itself. Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that your body uses for energy. It naturally exists in foods like fruits and milk. But the real concern is added sugar, the kind found in sodas, candies, baked goods, and processed foods. Your brain actually loves sugar. When you eat it, your brain releases dopamine, a feel-good chemical. That's why sugary foods can feel addictive. But this pleasure comes at a cost. Weight gain and obesity, visual, belly fat animation, fast food, sugary drinks. One of the most immediate effects of too much sugar is weight gain. Sugary foods are high in calories, but low in nutrients. This means you consume a lot of energy without feeling full. When you drink sugary beverages like sodas or energy drinks, your body doesn't register those calories the same way it does with solid food. So you end up eating more overall. Excess sugar is converted into fat, especially around your abdomen. Over time, this can lead to obesity, which increases the risk of many serious health problems. Increased risk of type 2 diabetes, blood sugar levels rising, insulin resistance animation. Consuming too much sugar regularly can lead to insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells. But when you overload your body with sugar, your cells stop responding properly. This leads to higher blood sugar levels and eventually may develop into type 2 diabetes. Symptoms can include fatigue, frequent urination, and blurred vision. Heart disease risk, heart animation, clogged arteries. Too much sugar doesn't just affect your weight, it also impacts your heart. High sugar intake is linked to increased blood pressure, higher levels of bad cholesterol, inflammation in the body. All of these factors raise your risk of heart disease, which is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Tooth decay and dental problems, teeth before and after decay. This is one of the most visible effects. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria produce acids that damage your tooth enamel. Over time, this leads to cavities, gum disease, and even tooth loss. It's not just about how much sugar you eat, but how often you eat it. Energy crashes and fatigue. Visual. Person energetic, suddenly tired. Ever felt a sudden burst of energy after eating sweets, followed by a crash? That's the sugar spike. Sugar quickly raises your blood glucose levels, giving you a temporary boost. But soon after, your levels drop sharply, leaving you feeling tired, sluggish, and irritable. This cycle can repeat throughout the day, affecting your productivity and mood. Impact on brain and mental health, brain animation, mood swings. Too much sugar can also affect your mental health. Studies suggest high sugar intake may contribute to anxiety, depression, mood swings. Frequent sugar spikes and crashes can disrupt brain function and emotional stability. Over time, this can impact your overall well-being. Skin problems and aging, acne, wrinkles forming. Sugar can also affect your appearance. High sugar levels lead to a process called glycation, which damages collagen and elastin, proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. This can result in wrinkles, sagging skin, acne breakouts. So, too much sugar doesn't just affect how you feel, it also affects how you look. Fatty liver disease, liver animation, fat accumulation. Excess sugar, especially fructose, is processed in the liver. When you consume too much, your liver converts it into fat. Over time, this can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This condition can progress silently and become serious if not addressed. Increased risk of cancer, visual, cell growth animation. While sugar itself doesn't directly cause cancer, it can contribute to conditions that increase cancer risk. Obesity, inflammation, and insulin resistance, all linked to high sugar intake, are known risk factors for several types of cancer. Weak immune system. Visual, immune system defense weakening. Too much sugar can weaken your immune system. It reduces your body's ability to fight infections and diseases. This means you may get sick more often and take longer to recover. Addiction-like behavior, reaching for sweets repeatedly, sugar can be addictive. The more you eat, the more you crave. This creates a cycle that's hard to break. Over time, you may find yourself constantly reaching for sugary snacks, even when you're not hungry. How much sugar is too much? Measuring teaspoons of sugar, health experts recommend limiting added sugar intake. For adults, it's generally advised to keep added sugar below 6 teaspoons per day for women, 9 teaspoons per day for men, but many people consume far more without realizing it. Simple tips to reduce sugar intake. Here are some practical tips. Choose water instead of sugary drinks. Read food labels carefully. Eat more whole foods like fruits and vegetables. Reduce processed foods. Use natural sweeteners in moderation. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Sugar isn't the enemy, but too much of it is. By becoming more aware of what you eat and making smarter choices, you can protect your health and feel better every day. Remember, your body deserves balance, not overload. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of yourself.